What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to increase your iPhone's touch sensitivity. If your iPhone is not registering touches, taps, swipes or other gestures properly, you might need to adjust your touch sensitivity settings. First, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Swipe down and tap on Accessibility. Under the Physical and Motor section, tap on Touch to access multiple options that can improve your touch experience. The first option you should verify is Haptic Touch. Tap on it and you will see an option to adjust the touch duration. If you want your iPhone to respond more quickly, switch it to Fast. This setting controls how long you need to touch and hold before pop-up menus appear. If it is set to Slow, you will need to hold longer before actions register. Switching it to Fast can make your iPhone feel more responsive. Next, go back to the touch settings and tap on Touch Accommodations. If this option is turned on, you can adjust the hold duration, which determines how long you need to touch and hold before the touch is recognized. You can also enable Ignore Repeat to prevent accidental multiple taps from being registered. If you enable this, your iPhone will only count the first tap and ignore any repeated taps within a short time. There's also an option for Tap Assistance, where you can choose between Initial Touch Location and Final Touch Location. If you select Final Touch Location, the iPhone will register the last position of your finger before lifting it, which can help if you have difficulty keeping a steady touch. If you ever want to return to the default settings, simply toggle off all of these options. Another important setting to check is Tap to Wake. If this is turned off, you won't be able to wake your iPhone by tapping the screen. Make sure it's enabled if you want to use the feature. Aside from software settings, sometimes physical issues can affect your touch sensitivity. If your iPhone screen is dirty or has dust, oil or debris on it, clean it with a microfiber cloth. If you're using a screen protector, try removing it, as some protectors can interfere with touch responsiveness. If your iPhone continues to experience ghost touches, unresponsive taps, or incorrect gestures, there may be a hardware issue. In that case, it's best to take your iPhone to an Apple store or an authorized repair center to run diagnostics and check if the screen needs to be repaired or replaced. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.